this is our look back section of our video where we take a look back basically at our holiday, what we've done, what we could have done better, what we enjoyed, what we didn't so much enjoy. If you hear any strange noises or see any strange things through the window, that is because we are waiting for our ferry. We got a 3 or maybe even 5 hour wait, something like that.
Well, it's 20 to 9 and it's 20 past 4 now, so yeah.
So we elongated this story because basically we missed our ferry. So we're on the next one, which is at 20 to 9.
Yep.
And we thought,
while we're waiting,
we'll do our look back.
Luckily we've got quite nice accommodation to wait, haven't we?
We're going to be arriving in Wales at Holyhead, gone 1 o'clock in the morning, so it's going to be a bit of a crappy drive, I think. But anyway, what should we say about our
we've
tour?
enjoyed our
tour. First of all, we've enjoyed it.
Yeah,
right?
definitely.
We've done more
wild camping
than we've done before.
Yes.
Last time we did kind of a trial, I suppose. In fact, we were forced into wild camping, I think, when we went around the NC 500.
Gave us a little buzz for it, didn't it?
We thought we were going to a campsite in Shieldag, and it wasn't a campsite. Don't let that put you off. Go to Shieldag. I think it's Shieldag.
Yes, it was.
But we've done a lot more wild camping or overnight stays in car parks and stuff this time.
Well, when you think we've only stayed in, was it 4 campsites?
Did we?
Or was it 3 campsites in the whole of the 2 weeks?
So the first one in just north of Dublin.
Yes.
Rush.
Yes.
That was okay.
Yeah, it was
a bit steep, I think, with the pricing.
Well, I don't know. I think it's
23 euros.
24 euros, and then you've got your plus your €2 for the showers.
And then you have to pay for showers. I mean, that's a bit of a. Anyway, the scenery was nice.
Right next to the beach.
Yeah, but we moved on. We kept moving on. We didn't come back to anything.
Yes.
Then
we went up.
But it was all a bit. Our holiday didn't really start until Castleford, I think.
Carlingford.
Sorry, Carlingford, where we stayed in that marina.
Yes, that was very nice, wasn't it?
Carlingford's not. Carlingford's nice. The marina was a marina. The place to stay, €10, restaurant there, and a bar. And
then you walked up the hill to the
and you had a short walk to the town. That was all okay. But that was, I think, was when it started, and our holiday stopped
when we finished the top.
When we finished the top part, when we were coming back, it was like, well,
couldn't find anywhere really to go, could we?
No, we didn't want to. Yeah, that's right. We didn't want to drive all the way down to Dublin. So we broke it up, and then we had to find a place to stop. And I was using my apps. I've got a number of apps. The best one I think so far is Park for Night. Yes.
You found a nice place, didn't you?
Yeah, but it's like, looking around for one. I don't know if that's normal, if everybody else does that kind of thing. Let us know in the comments if you have any hints and tips on how to find the best one. Somebody we met there, met in the Northern Ireland was suggesting using the Camping a Caravan and Caravan Club sites, the SCLs and CSs. But of course, when you get into Republic of Ireland, none of that exists.
And that's where we were.
That's what we wanted most. Yeah, we wanted to pitch up somewhere, and it was just difficult. So we ended up going to Wicklow. Yeah, Wicklow Mountains. And we were at that point we were desperate to empty the toilet. I think we could have managed another day pushing it. Yes. But we needed to empty the cassette.
And also where it was right up, and it was windy, wasn't it? And there was nothing there.
Oh, it was very windy in that.
It was a bit.
So that's all the And I think a disappointment as well for me was that we missed out on the gobbins.
Yes, you really wanted to do that.
I wanted to
didn't you?
check that out, and that's basically walking above the sea, right next to the on the coast, on purpose-built walkways and
I
stuff.
suppose being a weekend, it was going to be busy, wasn't it?
It was,
Should
yeah.
Did they say to pre-book?
Well, this is the thing that gets me. I don't know if it gets you guys, but whenever you look for a hotel or restaurant, we phone them up and say, "Oh, do you advise booking?" And they're always gonna say yes.
Yeah.
So you are here. You are committed on the phone.
But we didn't know where we were going to be, did we? So it's difficult to pre-book because we weren't sure.
The campsite that we stayed in, Rushlow, in the Wicklow Mountain. Anyway, we ended up at the campsite.
Yeah.
The guy there, hear it all the time. This is my point. This is my point.
I think he was right though, because we thought he was joking when we first arrived, because there was loads of spaces.
There's loads of space. He said, "Oh, I've got one space left." How many campsites have said that? One space left.
But then there were spaces.
There were still
when we woke up
spaces
this
when
morning.
everybody turned up. It was packed. It was heaving. But there were still spaces left. Maybe people didn't turn up. I don't know. But it's like, have you really only got one space to force that? We want you here. You're now here. But, however, when I asked him, "Oh, what if I just want to empty my tanks and fill up with water?" He goes, "Oh yeah, you can do that for free." Right, that's good. That was all right. But we still decided to stay there.
If that was the worst case,
that was expensive. That was €27.
26.
So she keeps correcting.
I know
it was
it's only
€26, and
I've got a permit to show you.
Showers? Did they charge for the showers?
They charge for the showers. It's €1.
Tokens, wasn't it?
Yeah, €1.
Yeah, you had to pay.
And you got one token which lasted 6 minutes, which I suppose.
We didn't use it.
No.
We got Herman. But
anything with a charge.
So
Look at the map.
Yeah, I'm looking at my map here. This is the.
Here's the bottom half.
It's not survived. Well, I suppose it'll do for the moment.
We split it.
What else can we say about it? So, the scenic part, great, right? I think there's nothing negative to say about our holiday.
No, I enjoyed it.
Yeah, we enjoyed it. We enjoyed the travelling and meeting people and
we were just a bit conscious that you don't like to drive too much.
I got so tired though, didn't I? And it'd take me like an hour and a half, 2 hours.
And then
and I'd
you
be
wanted to go on the coastal route, which would take long time. You didn't want to do the motorway.
We did most of the coast. Well, I say most. We did a lot of the coastal route, didn't we?
Yeah, that's right.
In Northern Ireland.
I think we just need a driver next time to
what, a chauffeur?
to assist.
Oh yes.
Any of you truck drivers?
No, it's you.
That's you.
So I think next time. Do you know what though? I was going to say next time we're going to do the Republic of Ireland.
Yeah.
But I think the fun was in the Northern Ireland. That's the best part. Travelling through Ireland hasn't been that interesting at all, really. I mean, other than the Wicklow Mountains, that was quite a nice road through there. But it's also the drivers as well. I thought.
Oh, that's just one of those things.
Do you think it's just one of those things?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't want to paint a brush and whatever the phrase is.
Yeah, no.
But it seems so impatient.
Well, you don't want to be.
And there was roads, 80 kilometres an hour. This is the Wicklow, one of the roads in the Wicklow Mountains. I couldn't quite understand. 80 kilometres an hour. That's 50 miles an hour, more or less. And there was a speed hump. Many speed humps.
So you couldn't even get up to 80.
Why they don't just slow the speed limit down? So 80 kilometres an hour, speed hump right in next to it. And there was other situations like there's loads of speed humps, and this is why I don't like travelling in towns. And I'm moaning now. I'm moaning. So what else can we cover here? I think. Yeah, I think next time we're going to have to do...
Next time
we come over
he's
to
already
Ireland,
thinking about next time.
we'll have to do the west coast. Look at this map.
Well, it was ripping when the chap gave it to us, wasn't it?
We'll have to do the west coast, around here and a bit down the bottom. You know, the Ring of Kerry and Galway, that kind of thing. So
the only problem is that, you know, going from where we live to get to Ireland, it's quite a trek, isn't it, across?
yeah, there's a lot of travel.
Yes, that's right. It's
Yeah.
a shame we're not nearer to
I mean, when we arrive in Wales tomorrow morning, and we pitch up, it's going to be an hour, I think, an hour and a half to a campsite, and then when we get home, it's going to be like 5 hours. In 5 hours from home, we could get into Cumbria. That's the same distance.
Yes, that's right. So we do
yeah.
need to stop a couple of times, really, don't we?
Yeah. So it's a long way, but
It's a long way.
I think it's really good. It's been a really long time as well because we had the
Feels like we've
Rhymafest.
been off for months, doesn't it? Really?
It does. Well, almost 3 weeks actually, but don't tell the managers. Don't tell our bosses. But anyway, if you've got anything else that you would like to... So you've enjoyed the wild camping.
I think I'm ready to... I think I always say this every holiday I go on, but I'm ready to go back, just to get back to the norm. And yes.
I think one
one
thing I can say is, if you have when you're doing the wild camping or overnight stay, if you have the opportunity, empty.
Yes.
Don't empty the wastewater, the grey water, in a drain, because that goes straight into the rivers.
Even though that last campsite said to put it in the drain.
Yeah, that was not right. Right next to the river, and it said to put it in the drain.
Yes, empty the toilet, empty the waste.
Whenever you can.
Yeah, because you never know.
You never know when the next time.
Yeah, because you always think, oh, we'll do it at the next campsite, but you might not get there.
Maps. That's the thing. So we went to Ireland with just an AA Great Britain and Ireland map. The Ireland section is just like a piece of A4 paper. It's just rubbish. So the tip is get yourself a decent map of the place where you're going before you go. Don't expect to buy it when you get here, because I certainly expected to buy it when I got here, but couldn't buy one, couldn't find one, and it was a long time before we actually found an information centre. Well, if you have any comments on our look back or our tour of Norrøn, is that how you pronounce it? Norrøn?
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments section below, and until our next tour, which we have no idea what that will be.
We're not thinking of it just yet, are we?
No. Adios. Bye bye. Au revoir. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed, or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates, or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.